Welcome kids, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn prepositions. We are going to have fun with those. Three stars of today are on, above and over. Let's find out what each one means. My dear students, but before that we must know what are prepositions. Children, prepositions are very little words which tell us about the position of the things. They also tell us the location as well as the movement of the nouns or pronouns. For example, think of the words like on. The book is on the table. Above, the sky is above us. And over, a train is running over the bridge. So let's learn about the three prepositions on, above and over in detail. Let's learn about preposition of position on now. Children, we use on when something is directly on the surface of something else. That means the two objects are in contact with each other. For example, where is the cat? Yes, the cat is sitting on the chair. The cat is touching the surface of the chair. That's why we have used on. Look at the next example. A painting is hanging on a wall. That means how the painting is sitting on the wall. Yes, it is touching. That's why on preposition has been used. Let's move to next preposition of position, and that is above. My dear children, above is used when something is higher than something else but not touching it. There is some space between the two objects. For example, the bird is above the ground. That means if a bird is sitting on a branch of a tree, it is not touching the surface of the ground. That's why we'll say the bird is above the ground. And the next one is the lamp is above the desk. Dear children, the body of the lamp as well as the body of the desk, they are not in contact. That's why we have used the lamp is above the desk. And the last preposition of today is over. Over is used when something is moving across the top of something else. When we are crossing, going across, the object is passing over the top of something. It's moving from one position to another without touching the object. For example, the train is going over the bridge. That means it's running over the bridge. And second one, the plane is flying over the clouds. It's moving from one position, going to the some other position, and it's moving above the clouds. That's why we have used over, because plane is in movement. It's moving. Now it's the practice time. Get ready. Use the chat box to give answers, okay? And then I'll reveal the answers and we'll tell you whether we are learning something or not. So the first sentence is, the book is dash the table. Dear children, you have three options: on, above and over. Write in the chat box which one is to be ticked. On, above and over. I'll wait for you. Think. Great job. It's on. On is correct because the book is touching the table. Next example is, the fan is dash the table. And again the three options are on, above and over. Do let me know which one is correct. Very nice. Above. Above is used here because the fan is not touching the table. It's far away from the table. Now, a butterfly is dash the flower. Where's the butterfly? Yes, it's on the flower. On because the legs of the butterfly are touching the flower. That's why it's on the flower. And the next example is the plane is dash the city. My dear children, remember plane is moving. It's not still. So which option is correct? Very nice. Over. We'll use over here because the plane is moving across the city. Wonderful. That's why we'll use over. A blanket is dash the boy. Look at the blanket. Where is it? Yes, it's over the boy because it's covering across the foot towards the neck. So that's why the blanket is over the boy. And the next example, the clouds are dash the hills. Children, clouds are still, hills are still, and they are not touching each other. That's why we will use above. Very nice. I hope the concept is clear. It's a recap time. Let's review the rules once again. Remember, on is touching. Above is higher but not touching. And over means covering or moving across. Is it clear? Amazing work, children. Keep practicing and you will be a preposition pro very soon. See you. Bye bye. Ta-ta.